Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhed vlog. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you how to crochet this cute and simple coaster. So without further ado, let's start it. The materials that I use is 4-ply acrylic yarn. This is from Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn, acrylic 4-ply, and then we're going to use 5mm hook, scissors, yarn needle. First step is to make a magic ring. Then chain 2. This will serve as the first double crochet. And inside the magic ring, make 12 double crochet. Now, close the magic ring by pulling the short yarn. Next, slip stitch to close round 1. Now chain 2 to begin with round 2. In the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet on each stitch until you finish round 2. Next, slip stitch to close round 2. Next, to begin round 3, chain 2. On the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. And on the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Repeat the pattern alternate until you finish round 3. To close the round, make a slip stitch. Next, for round 4, begin with chain 2. On the same stitch, make 1 double crochet, and on the next stitch, make another 1 double crochet, and on the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Now repeat the pattern alternate until you finish round 4. Close round 4 by making a slip stitch. Next, to begin round 5, chain 2. On the same stitch, make 1 double crochet, then make another 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and another 1 double crochet on the next stitch, then 2 double crochet on the next stitch. Now repeat the pattern alternate until you complete round 5. Now close the round by making a slip stitch. Cut the yarn ends and fasten off the excess yarn. For round 6, attach the new yarn color on one of the stitch and then chain 5. On the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. As you can see, we're creating a small triangle. Skip 2 stitch, then make 1 double crochet on the next stitch. Next, chain 2. And on the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. Repeat the pattern alternate until you complete round 6. To close the round, you slip stitch on the space. Next, cut and fasten off the excess yarn. For round 7, insert the hook on the space and attach the new yarn, then chain 3. This will serve as the first double crochet. Now, make 4 double crochet inside the space. After that, make a slip stitch on the next space. On the next space, make 5 double crochet. then slip stitch on the next space. Repeat the pattern alternate until you finish round 7. To finish round 7, you're going to slip stitch on the last space. And then another slip stitch on the first double crochet. Now, cut and fasten off the excess yarn. And there you have it, guys. This is the final outcome of our coaster. And I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. And if you have any suggestion, you can type it in on the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Goodbye.